So we talked a little bit about working from standing in weapon retention. We talked about hitting the ground and working weapon retention. One of the things that we talked about on the ground was surface space. So you don't get to pick and choose where the fight happens most of the time. And we're right now standing on loose gravel, which means that we don't have a good base. We're gonna shift around a lot. We're gonna have to dig to get a hold of something, and we're gonna move around. It's just gonna happen. There's no two ways about it. Standing up is less desirable here than it would be on the pavement because I'm gonna shift more, and when I get down to the ground, it's gonna make less of a difference. So I'm not forcing it to the ground because there are a lot of other problems, but there are some pros to being down here on this ground.
Very dangerous environmental.
Yeah, so some of the things in the immediate environment here, you know, we don't have curbs, but we have the equivalent of curbs. So we have a retaining wall with a capstone on top. We have some wood. We have some metal. We have some large rocks. We have weapons of opportunity that can be introduced into the environment. And then we also have some things like walls and windows. So the windows break, glass is a problem. We have walls that essentially act as an entrapment, stop or slow the fight or change the angles that are available to us. So this is a different environment and it's part of reality. Maybe not this exact spot, but a similar spot is very likely to occur for people on the street. You can be in a park, you can be in a parking lot, you can go into an area that has some type of aesthetic feature like this, and that's where the fight occurs. So you don't get to pick and choose. They pick the time, the place, and the method of attack, and you pick the response. And so that's what the weapon retention skills that we've been looking at are based on, response options, assuming you train them.
What are you doing back here, man? Give me that gun. What are you going to do with that? What are you going to do? Oh, shit. Give me that gun. Want that gun, cop? Oh! Oh! That didn't go as planned. Went for the gun. You swept me, took me down into the dirt. Loose gravel's definitely better than concrete, though.
Yes,
this sucks.
This is way better, way better than concrete, but not for me. Standing, right? So change levels. Now we have some options.
All right. So if I do happen to get a couple hands onto this,
boom!
Oh shit!
Here, now we're coming out.
Can't even get my hands back.
What happened?
I can't get it. I want that gun, mother.
Come get it. Come get it. Come get it.
Oh, look at you. You're using the corner to protect your little gun.
Whoa.
Oh, you just headbutted me? Damn it. Oh. Oh. That felt great. Ah. Oh, that didn't work. Yeah. If I tapped in the street, would you stop?
No.
Think about that. It's funny you see those videos of dudes like provoking a bar fight and then they tap and it's like, why isn't he stopping?
So it can start again?
Right.
It's like a reset?
Right. Nope, that's stupid. Screw. I'm gonna pull those pants off an hour later.
Go ahead, go. Pull them off.
Hope you're digging this shit. How do they find you?
My website for business is tourprotection.com. My email is info@tourprotection.com. On Instagram, I'm @tourtraining.
Find him, sign up for a class. Don't be dickheads. Look for the next video here in the series on retaining weapons with Mr. Todd Fox.